Everyone's getting Chanel No.5 Eau Premiere, but is it really worth it? Here are 3 things you need to know about this fragrance. First off, is your perfume not lasting long enough? Chanel No.5 Eau Premiere is known for its longevity. I can tell you from first-hand experience that it lasts quite a long time, making it a reliable choice for those long days or nights out. Second, are you looking for a scent that stands out? This fragrance has a delightful and gorgeous scent, with top notes of aldehydes, ylang ylang and neroli, middle notes of jasmine and rose, and base notes of vanilla, sandalwood, and vetiver. It's a unique blend that's sure to turn heads and make you the center of attention. Third, do you want to feel sophisticated and elegant with a fragrance? Chanel No.5 Eau Premiere gives off an elegant and sophisticated feel. It's a classy and high quality fragrance that will make you feel like you're always dressed to the nines. In conclusion, Chanel No.5 Eau Premiere is a worthwhile investment for its longevity, unique scent, and sophisticated feel it provides. For these reasons, I highly recommend this fragrance. It's more than just a perfume, it's a statement of elegance and sophistication. So why wait? Make Chanel No.5 Eau Premiere your signature scent today.